Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a group chat on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing I'd like you to know is that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chats, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to create a group chat on Skype. So how do you get that done? From the left corner of your screen, you're going to find these options that says chats, you have calls, you have contact, you have today. Now, there are two ways to create a group chat, and I'm just going to show you that. So you can head over to your chat or head over to your contact and click on any other contact, like any contact that you want to create a group with. So let's say this is the contact available here. Just click that open, and this is myself, and this is this contact. So clicking on this contact, I can head over to the top right corner of my screen where this option is create a new group. So I can click on create a new group and add this person to my group. So in this group, I'm going to make it chat lovers, and this person has been automatically added to my group. Now there are other suggestions, so I can add these people to my group, but I don't want to add them because I really do not know them. So I'm just going to head over here and click on done. And once I click on done, my group is going to be created. So that's pretty much the process. Now head over to contact and head over to chat, and you will see that that group has literally been created. Now that's first way. So the second option to use is to actually head over to new chat in here and click that open, and you have this new group chat here. So just go ahead and click on new group chats. Now you can add your group picture here and add your group name. So this group chat is going to be fun chat with Amy. If you want to add a picture, just click on this icon and add a picture. So I'm going to just do that, and I'm going to add this person, and I'm going to click on done. Now it is creating a new shiny conversation. As you can see, fun chat with Amy at the left corner has been created, and this is a group now. So this, I can invite many other people to join. So I can click on this invite and add more people. So the difference between this one and the previous one we used is that the previous step is for you to create a chat with just a specific person, and you can add more persons into that. That's just like an instant group chat that you can create. But this is just a general group chat that you can have and make it open to many people and just go ahead and have fun with it. So that's pretty much how you can create a group chat on Skype. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.